can run away and leave this world behind. Please just